Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rizzmas token. Rizzmas is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Merry Rizzmas, everybody. This is obviously a combination between Riz, which the Gen Z kids say, which is short for charisma. So it is a combination of the Riz meme and Christmas, and so now we have Rizzmas. And it says this is a CTO, which is a community takeover token. Usually they have a little blurb at the bottom of the DEX screener chart that says why there was a community takeover and when, like the time and the date. But they don't have that for some reason. It does say CTO, but there's no community claim on DEX screener here. So, but this is an older token. 10 months, 29 days ago, this token was created on Raydium. But today, today is it's doing insanely well. It has a 24-hour trading volume of $28 million. And it's over 1,000% right now in the past 24 hours, 1,056% in the green right now, and it's trending number 28 in the Solana section on DEX screener. So doing very well today, this project. We're going to go over the Rizzmas token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, has a decent amount of holders here. This Twitter here just joined November 2024. So this is a brand new Twitter. So I'm assuming that it is a community takeover. They do have Twitter and 2 different Telegrams. I don't see a web page linked anywhere on DEX screener. So they just have the socials basically. But yeah, trending number 28. It says their market cap right now is $3.3 million. And that's also their fully diluted valuation. Now they have $217,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX screener, 99.62% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. In the banner it says CTO, and a lot of their socials it says CTO. But again, it doesn't have a claim specifically on DEX screener. Now, maybe one will pop up soon. Maybe it's in the process of being submitted. But yeah, $28 million 24-hour trading volume just today. They've had 226,577 transactions today as well. Right now they have 431 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 15.94 billion pooled Rizzmas tokens. So yeah, it's almost a year old, this token. 10 months, 29 days ago it came out, so I'm assuming it came out last Christmas. It says, it's beginning to look a lot like Rizzmas, spreading Riz with ease, and the first secret to my plan, I'm just a patient man stacking that cheese. Hashtag Rizzmas. So yeah, if you wanted to get this token here, it is on the Solana blockchain, so you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could download a Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, Solflare, or Phantom wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, you can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes on this token. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And this token could also be available on other dexes like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca for Solana tokens. And you may be able to find the contract address on their socials as well. It's not at the top, though, on this Twitter. You can't see it there. And they don't have a web page. So 246 posts on this Twitter at Rizzmas on Sol. It says, "We hold here," and it has a link to their Telegram. And that is the community chat Telegram there. Their Twitter just joined November 2024, 1,316 followers. So a minute ago it says, "One last push. Let's moon this one, Rizzmas." Whose feed do we need to drop Rizzmas in? Calling the community for help. So one of the ways that people shill out the tokens is like they drop some tokens into, like, say, Andrew Tate or Vitalik Buterin or somebody's wallet. And then people will see that, and then it's like promoting the token. So it says, "We need to put Rizzmas everywhere, TikTok, Twitter, live streams, anywhere you can. If you want to get to the moon, we have to be in the spirit of Rizzmas." So basically, you know, they're really, I mean, almost every few minutes here, they're making a tweet about promoting this token here. So it seems like they're doing a good job of trying to shill out the token here in the community. If you want to get involved with the chat, you could check out the Twitter there, but you could also go over to that community chat Telegram linked right there. It has 659 members, and it has 283 of them online. And then also they have another Rizzmas Telegram at Rizzmas CTO, 1,019 subscribers. It says official CTO of Rizzmas, and you could preview the channel before joining. But that one's going to be the announcement channel. This token right now, according to Dex Screener, 37,729 holders, and they have 5 different liquidity providers. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.